What's up YouTube, how goes it? In today's video we are reviewing the Mujjo full leather case. This is for the brand new iPhone 13 Pro. Now keep your panties on, this also comes for the iPhone 13 Pro Max, the regular 13 as well as the mini. Of course I will leave a link to their site in the description below. As always, if you enjoy the content, consider subscribing to my channel, it helps me grow. Thank you so much for watching, let's get started. Starting with the packaging, as you can see, the Mujjo case comes in a pretty standard looking paperback box over here. So you have a cool graphical image, of course, of the case itself, its corresponding color, in this case saddle brown, and how it'll look with the phone. Not gonna lie, it looks pretty sick on the actual case itself. And it specifies how it's for the iPhone 13 Pro, as well as, of course, give you a few other basic details. Now, when you actually flip the box, on the back side you have additional product details, a bunch of testimonials about how great of a product this is, and of course some more additional product information. Feel free to give that a read if you wish to. Now, the real cool thing, however, about the packaging here is the way it opens. Rather than just have a pull tab, what Mujjo's done over here is made this into a brochure-like setting. So basically, the thing opens up like a book, just pull towards the front side, and here it is. And over here you can see all the details about the case itself, the material it's made from, the fine-tuning of it, the procurement of the actual materials, and just the type of leather you can expect. And then when you open the second tab, here it is, the actual case itself. And I gotta tell you guys, this thing seriously looks saddle brown. It has the more classic poppy look as opposed to the more vintage look. So if you like that, you'll definitely appreciate the way this case is looking right now. As soon as you feel this case, it has a very smooth texture to it. It has a very rigid feel, to be honest. So a lot of other leather cases have a more plush feel. Over here, it feels more compact, more together. Depending on your preference of leather, you may or may not appreciate this, but in any case, it didn't feel cheap at all. Rather, it just feels different. Also, it is worth noting you have that massive camera protrusion right here, and of course this is to make sure it protects the massive lenses on the 13 Pro, so it's necessary by all means, and it looks nice. The leather kind of coats all around. As you make your way to the bottom side of the backside, you'll also notice you have the Mujjo branding itself, which is of course a more subtle introduction to it. I kind of like it. It's not too obtrusive. It's there, but it's not protruding or kind of too much in the way. Also, the buttons themselves are fully coated with the same leather material with the rest of the case. That means they'll be fully protected, and the quality feels really nice. I think this is a really nice touch by the company. The bottom side has all the cutouts, so you have cutouts for both the speaker and the microphone, and of course you have a cutout for the lightning port, and it's a large cutout to make sure various cables can fit into that port. So here we have the actual iPhone 13 Pro in the graphite black color in all its glory, and let's just do a real quick fit test to see how easy this case snaps on. So a little press there, a little press there, and snap. For the most part, this is a pretty straightforward process. It's a nice snug fit. One of the key measures of testing the quality of a case for me personally is to see how well the actual fit of the case is on the phone. And over here, I have to say it's really well done. As you can see, it's an even fit. There's no raised areas. It doesn't look uneven from anywhere. It actually lines up with the bezels perfectly. Even so much so that the actual speakerphone on the top is perfectly balanced, so the actual case isn't cutting into it. Again, these are all marks of a high quality case. So good job there, Mujjo. Here we have the case on the backside with the phone on this time. As you can see, that protruding lip on the left corner is absolutely necessary. It protects the massive lenses of the iPhone 13 Pro, and it actually complements it quite nicely. Also, the case does again feel a lot more rigid compared to traditional leather cases, but it has this high quality feel, particularly when you put the actual phone into the casing itself. All in all, guys, this is a very nice high quality case. One thing I do want to point out is unfortunately, Mujjo did not include MagSafe support. Basically, there's no built-in magnets. If you look carefully, so here's the Apple Silicon case. You have enhanced magnets to kind of make sure the MagSafe continues even with the case on. But in the case of the Mujjo, there's no enhanced magnets inserted into the case, meaning while technically your MagSafe accessories may work, the magnet connection may be so weak that it won't stay on. So keep that in mind if you are a big user of MagSafe. Aside from that, this is a fantastic case. It definitely complements the iPhone 13 Pro nicely. It comes for all the other iPhones as well. I would highly recommend to anyone who just wants the vintage leather look and is okay to compromise a MagSafe compatibility. If you guys enjoyed the content, hit the subscribe button. Thank you so much for watching. Catch you in the next one.